5 класс, английский язык, домашнее задание, страница 72. English, Spotlight 5. A visit to the vet. Homework page 72. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. Boys and girls, we begin our work. English in use. A visit to the vet. Open your books, please. Page number 72. 72. Exercise number 1. Letter A. Read the sentences and match them to the animals in the picture. Прочитайте предложения и сопоставьте их с животными на картинке. The answer. Tom's got a broken wing. Parrot. Letter A. Mitten's got an earache. Rabbit. Letter B. Stripes got 2 broken legs. Cat. Letter C. Max's got toothache. Guinea pig. Letter D. Rex's got fleas. Dog. Letter E. Exercise number 1, letter B. Choose a pet from A to E and describe it to your partner. Выберите питомца от А до Е и опишите его своему партнеру. The answer. Tom has got red feathers on his head and neck and green on his wings and body and yellow legs. He's got 2 small eyes and a small yellow beak. He has got a broken wing. Mittens has got 2 big ears, 2 small eyes, a small mouth and nose. She's got short legs and a short tail. She's got an earache. Stripe has got 2 small ears and eyes, a small red nose and a big mouth. He's got a long tail and brown and orange stripes. He's got 2 broken legs. Max is small and has got thin brown fur. He's got 2 small ears and eyes, a small nose and whiskers. He's got 4 short legs and a short tail. He's got toothache. Rex has got 2 big ears, long legs and a long tail. He's got 2 small eyes, a small nose and a big mouth with a long tongue. He's got fleas. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Listen and repeat. Послушайте и повторите. What's the matter? What's wrong with him? Really, how? How old is he? Let's have a look at him. And now we must do exercise number 3. The questions are from the following dialogue. What is the dialogue about? Listen and read to find out. Вопросы из следующего диалога. О чем диалог? Послушайте, прочитайте, чтобы найти ответ. Hi, John. What's the matter? It's Tom, my parrot. Oh, what's wrong with him? I think he's got a broken wing. Really, how? I don't know. How old is he? He's about 4 years old. Let's have a look at him. Okay. The answer. A boy is at the vet with his parrot. The parrot's got a broken wing. Boys and girls, look at the page, please. Exercise number 4. Answer the questions. Ответьте на вопросы. What pet has John got? What problem does his pet have? How old is he? The answer. A parrot. He has got a broken wing. He's about 4 years old. Exercise number 5. Your pet is ill. You take it to the vet's. Act out the dialogue. Use the sentences from exercise number 2. Record yourselves. Твой питомец заболел. Ты взял его с собой к ветеринару. Разыграй диалог, используя предложение из упражнения 2. И запишите себя. The answer. Hi, Ilya. What's the matter? It's Bella, my cat. Oh, what's wrong with her? She's got a broken leg. Really? How? I don't know. How old is she? 11. Let's have a look at her. Okay? Exercise number 6. Reading rules. E, egg. EA, head. IU plus R, bird, fur. Listen and repeat. Think of more words with the same sound. Прочитайте и повторите. Придумайте еще слова с такими же звуками. Vet, health, and, sand, man, breast, breath. Curl, girl, burn, hurt. The answer. Bed, net, band, wealth, nest. Short, first, 30, turn. My dear friends, the lesson is over. Goodbye.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.